So skipping a stage or entry level conditions. Consider a case where accident claim case, if you want to start the party injured stage or not, we can decide based on some conditions. Like if any party is injured, then only we can run the file personal engineering claim related stages or processes. Or you can also have multiple conditions. If party itself is not injured, then we need not run the stages or process pertaining to personal injury claim in that accident claim case. So we can, based on some conditions, we can skip some of the stages or processes. So one is you can skip at the entry level, that is skip stage upon entry. So on the stage in the right panel you can see, but default behavior is to automatically continue execution of the stage. If you want to explicitly skip this stage when some condition becomes true, then you can use custom condition, and you can click on this gear icon. You can give those conditions like some of the case data, some of the properties present in the case. You can select them if they are equal to some value or not equal to certain value, or you can also create some when rules. So by default it will process this stage. If you don't want to process it, then you have to select skip stage custom condition. Say if you don't want to skip this stage at any time, means if you want to run this stage every time, then you have to select never. This, say for example you want to enter into this stage but only some process, for example this service stage has two processes, process 1, process 2, you want to execute only one process and not execute other process, then you can define the conditions even at the process level, that is at the flow rule level. Coming to the flow rule level, it is opposite. There it is skip when, here it is don't process when. So by default the behavior is always process it, start process always. There is a, if you see in the stage level it is never skip stage, because it is skip never. Skip stage never means always the stage will be executed. Here process this stage always means always the process will be executed by default. If you want some condition, you keep some condition, so that if this condition evaluates to true, then only you will start this process. It's like reverse. For the stage level and condition, it is like you are going to skip the stage when the condition becomes true. Here it is you are going to execute this process when the condition becomes true. You can also select existing conditions like always, or some of the conditions that are have already created. Thank you.